Hi everyone, let's get together and make this stunning dessert. It's amazing to look at and it's sure to wow all of your guests. It's also a flavor explosion in your mouth. The recipe is pretty simple, but you will need about 4 to 5 hours of preparation time and you'll have to stay close to your refrigerator. I advise to prep this a day ahead of time. You'll need 6 different colors of Jell-O. I don't have purple here, so I just got another box of blue and red to create my own purple. You'll also need low-fat vanilla yogurt and a 10-cup bundt pan that you'll grease with cooking spray. Also a measuring cup. Dissolve your Jell-O powders in 1 1/4 cups of boiling water and set aside until they cool to room temperature. My purple here is larger because I doubled the volume since I wanted a thicker layer for the last layer. If any of your mixtures start to gel up before you're ready to use them, just pop them in the microwave for a few seconds to re-dissolve. Pour 3/4 of a cup of your first flavor into the bundt pan and then refrigerate for 15 to 20 minutes. As you wait for your first layer to set, stir in 1 1/2 tablespoons of vanilla yogurt into the remaining mixture until all lumps are gone and the mixture is completely smooth. This will be the opaque layer of your Jell-O. Check to see that your first layer is slightly set, but it's still a little bit sticky. We don't want it to be completely firm or else it won't adhere to the next layer. Carefully pour your yogurt mixture into the mold. Start by pouring it near the center. This is because we don't want it to break through the first layer, and if it does, if you pour it closer to the center, you won't be able to see it as much. And then go ahead and refrigerate this yogurt mixture for another 15 to 20 minutes. Just repeat the same steps for all of the remaining colors. Alternate between clear and opaque yogurt mixture. After completing all of the layers, set in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours. I say overnight is best. Once all the layers have set, it's now time to release your mold. You can dunk your pan briefly in warm water to help the release process. Place a large plate on top and then quickly flip over and reveal your final product. Voila! Check out that beautiful jiggle. Let's take a closer look at all of our layers. What a beauty! Can you count them? And here's a cross-section of a slice. Doesn't it look amazing? Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe for more fun ideas. Bye!